Vanakkam, Krishna McKenzie. This March 26, 27, 28, as I'm sure you well know, there is a permaculture workshop at Solitude Farm. And this is one of the things that we will explore. This is called Taro or Sepenkelenge. Now, Tamilians may very well know about this plant, but it's like a memory, or it's something that grandma used to tell you, but we don't have it in our diet anymore. It's because industrialized agriculture, beetroots, carrots, potatoes, leeks, cauliflower, cabbage, they've eclipsed the traditional plants like this. And those plants, the beetroot, carrot, etc., don't grow here. So learning to grow these plants and learning how to cook them and enjoying to eat them is the cycle of reclaiming a cultural nutritional identity. It's the same as the green papaya. I mean, check this papaya out. This is really crazy. This papaya has been cut at about 3 meters because it was getting too tall, and now it starts to branch and give papayas everywhere. But what we use is the green papaya especially, and we peel it and grate it, and it's exactly like a carrot. That's another plant that can be integrated in our diet that undermines industrialization of agriculture. Likewise, the turkey berry, or in Tamil we call it the sundakai. Today it was served in the cafe. It was cooked with, I think, tamarind and coconut milk and some lentils and stuff, and it's really good. This is a reverse diabetes plant. So you see, learning to grow the traditional plants, the local plants, is not only something that's going to save you money. It's not something that's going to improve your health. It also has medicinal value. It's not only about the ecological value that it needs less water. It's not only about the cultural relevance of it, but it's that this is the one thing that connects everyone in a society that we all need to eat. This goes beyond beliefs, opinions, concepts and ideas. This is our unifying, the unifying factor in a society. This is our redemption, eating these foods. One last thing I have to show you. Check out this. Look. This is the Ramphal, or the Attaparam. Now this Attaparam is a particularly nice variety. It's more red-ish inside. There's two varieties. There's one that's more white inside and this one is more red. This guy is a weed. They're growing everywhere. We have so much. Every 2 days, we're harvesting at least 20 kilos of the stuff. And they're so sweet. What we do with it is what we say pessinjinge. We crush it, mush it in water, and then pass it through a sieve, and we make a cream. And then this cream is added to chutneys or to smoothies, or make ice cream with it. And it's such an amazing, rich food source. Mother Nature is generous. She is benevolent. She loves us. All we have to do is come back to her arms and reciprocate that with gratitude. This is a road back to nature. Please subscribe to the channel. Please share these videos. Hit the notification bell and tell people about the workshop. 26th, 27th, 28th of March. We'd love to have you here. Let's walk together. This is a cultural redemption. This is a road back to nature.